Hey lads, my name is Skychrew and welcome to Mega Pokemon Battle Royale. Loud sound, flashing lights, warning. Obviously, TerminalMontage Jeremey obviously tries to warn us that there is going to be a loud sound. This is a collaboration with Lockstin and Gnoggin, so I hope I pronounced that right. Again, all links down below to all the team who made this animation possible, to TerminalMontage, to Lockstin, Gnoggin, and all the team behind it, because there's a lot of people collaborate and a lot of people involved in this animation, so it's very important for you to understand that. Please check it out. Please check out the people involved in this animation. We reacted to Pokemon Battle Royale. I think like Ultimate, like Battle Ultimate, something like that before, like a year ago or 2 years ago. And yep, this one now, another one. They're running the simulation again. So let's start. It ended up in the space time. I remember. Mega Pokemon Battle Royale. Oh, dude, they're running the simulation. Let's go. It's happening again, dude. The Ultra Ball, all the balls, dude. There you go. Oh no, it's gonna happen. It is happening again. It's gonna happen again. Oh no, there they are. Charizard. Oh no. The match meteorite hits immediately, of course.
Stop! You violated the law.
Huh? He's gonna eat it! Oh, it's weird, dude. Destroyed! He's gonna keeps eating, dude! The crumbles, dude! Oh, it hurts! Someone's angry. Oh, shoot! They're better now! Oh, shoot. Everybody's getting better, dude. Hey, slow bro! Dude. Kadabra is like, what's happening, dude? Oh my god. The lava is happening, let's run everybody! The screams all around, man. Get him, baby! Teleport him, Kadabra! Alakazam! Like, nope, I don't like that. Something's bad. Sacrifice himself. COVID, dude. Oh, it's for this Ice Age, dude. Here's the mask. Wear the mask. It's better. I just Caesar. Attack Caesar. Who will win? Boo! I cut this boat in half, eh? Okay. Nice. Nice. Ooh, that's not nice. Go, Charizard! Were they all running for the one? I don't know that lightning Pokemon. What that was? That the small one. This one, yeah. What is that even? Oh no. Slowbro doesn't give it anything, just like, okay, it's fine. I don't remember the name of the beetle or some stuff like that. I've kind of forgot the name. Of course, Blastoise. Get him, dude! It's even worse, dude! Punch, man! Catapults, let's go! They're having a nice time, dude. Mewtwo! You want some? Oh no. All the way back, dude, like that. That hurt a lot.
Now what?
No, we don't know, man. I wonder. Blaster's gonna blast you off, dude. Oh, Rip, my favorite Pokemon. Squirrel, the fucking coffin dance. Dum da da dum dum dum. Coffin dance, right?
Fret not, milady. I will vanquish this
Gallade. Of course, the R34 arts, the Pokemon. The main thing, dude, of course. LR, he will know it. Oh shoot, Gengar! Or is it like a modified version of Gengar? No, because I was not happy or Abracadabra right now. I kind of forgot the names how some Pokemons did. No, don't judge, please. I partially remember some of them. Oscar, help! I'm gonna save you! No. Karen took the kids. Hurrah! The spoons, man! The power of spoons, man! Destroyed! It reminds me of fox sounds. Hiya! Oh shoot! Oh, that's like, I think that's a mutant, but in another form. I remember the upgraded one. Ah, I really need to freaking remember how Pokemon names did. Ouch, that's gonna hurt. Medkit! They can't defeat this guy. Oh no. They found each other, dude. They know what's gonna happen. Oh shoot, even more! Oh no, it's just gonna crunch him, dude. Just doesn't care about the damage, dude. Oh my god. He's still fine. It's like, okay, thanks. What a crystal! What? Oh my god. They're so triggered, dude. Space, dude, let's go. It's like, what's happening? Oh no, they ask for it, dude. Oh shoot! It's fine, she's fine. It's you! The blaster, dude. Let's go. Wait, what? She did! Recovered everyone! At the same time, let's go, dude. The Johto! Head over! And just like that, it happened, dude. With one slap, Mega Rayquaza wins. I'm the winner! That's who wins, dude. There you go. The simulation again. Where's the doctor? Talk with the doctor. The professor.
What?
There they are. There's the professor with the... You didn't see anything.
Well, it's a good thing Mega Pokemon don't exist, right?
Agreed. Though I must ask, what just happened?
Don't you worry. I'll make a full report, and you can access it by clicking the link right up here.
Pokemon Battle Royale explained. Of course, that's the professor. It's like, where? What's happening? Breaking the third wall, dude. The fourth wall. The end. Hey, we did it. That was Tectonic 2007, dude. Yo. Of course, there's gonna be an ending. There's gonna be an ending, dude. Let's check. It's gonna happen there. Ooh, that's what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen, dude? There it is. Alternative ending. Oh no. Charizard not happy. The Minecraft teleportation sounds. Mario's there. Hey, Mario against freaking other Pokemons, dude. Anyways, lads, this is the animation. Honestly, kind of crazy. It's insane to see what's happening there at the same time. Crazy sounds all around, man. Then in general, hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, share this video. Can't friends about this channel. I personally like this Pokemon series. I don't react much to animations of TerminalMontage because I know people would hate. I know people maybe in the comments even say like, don't re-upload terminal montage videos. I know I'm not allowed to react, and even the animator said their reactions videos are lazy and like unoriginal and lazy. I agree again, but again, I want to support the animator. I love this series. I want to react to it because I did it before already. I'm not reacting to any other animations because I know people will hate, people will criticize like crazy. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Again, if there's gonna be another Pokemon series from TerminalMontage, I'm gonna react. But anything else, no, because I respect this decision. Again, if you respected, why did you react to this animation? Because I wanted to. Because I've reacted to this before already to something similar, and I want to continue with that. So I hope you understand. And I know it's like that, but anyways, if animator himself goes to the channel and asks me to remove the video, I will do it, okay? But until then, I'm gonna react only to this. I respect, I'm not gonna react. I skipped so many animations of TerminalMontage before, so at least be happy I didn't react to those. So there you have it, it's done. Leave a like and check out the previous video. And stay awesome, you know? Have a good time, dude. Don't sweat it, man. Yep, don't sweat it, man. Just look at those videos, man. There's amazing videos out there, man. I love them already, dude. Look at that. What about that video? What do you think about the Pokemon video, dude? Hey, what about that Fox video in the past, of course, not right now again. And please subscribe. There's a second channel. Oh, look, there's a second channel, man. Oh my god, what a surprise. Kinder surprise.